Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your hardware. A 64-bit CPU, at least 4 GB RAM and 16 GB free. Once done, verify the Phoenix OS ISO checksum so you avoid corrupted installs. Next, create a bootable USB with Rufus or write the ISO to an internal partition. This gives you a clean installer. Make sure Secure Boot is off in BIOS, otherwise the installer won't load. Finally, set the PC to boot from USB or the target partition, and reboot into Phoenix OS installer to begin. You'll now pick where Phoenix OS lives, USB persistence or an internal partition. Choose carefully. Writing to a partition can overwrite existing data. During partitioning, create an ext4 system of 8 to 32 GB and add a 1 to 2 GB swap if you plan to multitask heavily. Once the installer copies files, set locale, time zone, and create your user account. These settings streamline app behavior. After first boot, optionally install Google Play and sign in so apps update properly, and permissions behave as expected. You finish by updating Phoenix OS and Play Store apps so security patches and drivers apply. Then, tweak display scaling and DPI for 16:9 monitors, and remap keyboard or mouse settings to match desktop expectations. If apps crash, clear cache, or reinstall them, this fixes most compatibility glitches. If the system won't boot, repair the bootloader or toggle UEFI versus legacy mode in firmware, and make sure you have backups. That single troubleshooting step saves hours when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.